and welcome to class number 4. This week we're going to be talking about how chicken and turkey are good sources of lean protein and other important nutrients. We're also going to cover the fat content of different parts of the bird. So what makes chicken and turkey lean? The majority of the saturated fat is located in the skin, and the skin can easily be either trimmed or removed entirely before eating. That makes skinless chicken and turkey and lean ground chicken and turkey the healthiest choices. Make sure that you look at the package for the fat content because sometimes turkey has a lot of fat in it. You want to look for 90 to 95% lean. Dark meat located in the legs, wings, and thighs has slightly more fat in it than the white meat in the breast and tenderloin. That means that the dark meat has slightly more calories than the white meat, but also more flavor. The American Heart Association recommends eating skinless poultry and no more than 6 ounces cooked per day. In addition to being good sources of protein, chicken and turkey are good sources of zinc and iron, as well as B vitamins, selenium, and phosphorus, many of which strengthen our immune systems. Now, Raphael is going to cover food safety in detail in their cooking video, but it's important enough that I want to mention here that you want to be using your trusty meat thermometer when cooking chicken and turkey. Insert it in the deepest part of the meat away from the bone, close to the end of the cooking time. You want to register an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The juices should run clear without any pink, and the meat should be white without pink, although it's okay if there's a little bit of pink just right next to the bone. Our budget tip for this week is to buy chicken and turkey with the skin on and the bone in. That's usually less expensive. You can always trim or remove the skin and fat when you get it home before cooking. Raphael is going to demonstrate how to do this in their cooking video. Even better, buy a whole chicken or a whole turkey and either roast it whole or break it down into its different parts when you get it home. That's the least expensive way to go. Make sure, though, that you're buying turkey that hasn't been injected with fat or broth. As always, if you find chicken and turkey on sale, stock up because it freezes really well. Just make sure that what you thaw it overnight in the refrigerator, not on the countertop, which can increase risk for foodborne illness. So I hope you've enjoyed that nutrition segment. And now it's time to get cooking with Raphael in class number 4.